It was just a small window on the top of the room, so we wanted more space, and it was a little claustrophobic with that tiny window, and that egress window really opens up space and just makes the room look better. I definitely spend more time down there. Like I said, it feels more open. We have plans to even put some plants down in there. They were quick. I think it was 1 day installation when they got it in. Yeah, it was a super easy process through Ayers. It looks great. I couldn't have asked for better results.